In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters to Vimeo videos. Having chapters can make your videos more accessible and easier to navigate, ensuring viewers find exactly what they need quickly. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Vimeo account. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. You can head straight to this next part. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen and find the library in the menu. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored, making it easy to select the one you want to edit. After locating your library, choose the video for which you want to add chapters. Clicking on it will take you to the video settings page. This page is your control center for making various changes to how your video appears and functions. Next, on the left side of the video player, you'll see multiple tabs. Look for the one labeled Interactivity. Clicking on this tab will open a range of options designed to enhance how viewers engage with your video. From the Interactivity menu, go ahead and select Chapters. It might feel like there are many steps by now, but Vimeo keeps it intuitive, guiding you each step of the way. When you're in the chapters section, you'll see an option labeled plus add a chapter. Click on this, and we're entering one of the most important parts of the process. Now comes the creative bit. Here, you'll input the details that define where each chapter starts and what it's all about. You'll see fields to enter a timestamp and a chapter title. Let's say you have a section starting 1.5 minutes into the video. You'd enter a timestamp like 000130. Following that, give it a clear, concise title. When naming chapters, it's smart to keep them short and descriptive. Think about keywords your viewers might be searching for. For example, if you're creating an instructional video, you might have chapters like Introduction at 0002, History of the Topic at 0145, Key Concepts at 0320, and Summary at 0710. These not only make navigation easier for viewers, but can help in rankings and searchability. With your timestamps and titles in place, your video becomes a much more user-friendly learning tool. By creating these chapters, you're helping your audience engage with your content in a tailored way, ensuring they get the most out of what you've worked hard to produce, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've added a whole new layer of functionality to your Vimeo videos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.